Hi there. So I'm just back from my 7-day Western Caribbean cruise on the all-new Carnival Celebration. It was a great time. If you want to check out my review, just go to scottscruises.com and look for the Carnival Celebration review up in the menu. So when I got back, I posted this quick little video on my Facebook story about how I go from 2 suitcases when I board the ship down to 1 when it's time to come home. Because I don't like to carry and lug all these suitcases and bags around when I'm doing self-disembarkation on that last day. I just want to grab one bag, get off the ship, get to the car, and get out of there. So as I did this video, I'm thinking to myself, man, this is probably something that others may find either really weird or as a great tip. So I take my smaller suitcase, put it inside the bigger suitcase, stuff dirty clothes and shoes and all kind of stuff, and then just fill that one suitcase up with everything. And then I only have to carry 1 off the ship instead of 2. So I'm going to append that video from my Facebook story here. And hey, maybe if you find it as a time-saving and effort-saving tip, go for it. Here's how you go from 2 suitcases when you get on a ship, airplane, whatever, and then you end up with just 1 when you're coming home. So I pack all dirty stuff like socks, t-shirts, underwear in my shoes. Look at that, in the shoes. And then all the rest of the stuff goes in the smaller suitcase, the bulkier dirty clothes. So then you pack it all in 1. You only have to take 1 suitcase with you at the end of your trip. Genius.